Hi, my name is Paul Gibbs, and I'm one of the developers on the BuddyPress project, and today I'm here at WordCamp Netherlands.
So is that what you were talking about in your presentation?
Yes, I was spending some time this year letting people know what we have coming in BuddyPress 1.6, which is the version we're building at the minute, and sharing our kind of thoughts of sort of an early roadmap for new developments for the rest of the year.
So can you tell me how BuddyPress has changed in the past year?
Yeah, so in the last year of BuddyPress, we've had quite a good number of front-end changes. So I'm going to take this from about 1.5 release, which was about a year ago. We overhauled the default theme and made that more robust and usable, both for end users and theme developers and designers. But we also made quite a number of behind-the-scenes changes also for theme developers, but especially for plugin developers and people who really try to put their code in under the hood of BuddyPress. And we spent a lot of time doing invisible changes, I call them, reorganising, refactoring, and tidying up the project. And the code base from 2 year ago to today it's grown so much, and it's all totally unrecognisable.
Great. And what can we expect in 2012 for BuddyPress?
Yeah, so one of the most exciting things that I'm looking forward to getting to start to work on is changing how BuddyPress themes work. At the minute, BuddyPress theme is pretty monolithic. There's a lot of commonality between different sites of different BuddyPress themes. There's not much uniqueness or real deep customization from any sites. And so we're changing the way theming works. So rather than BuddyPress providing a whole theme for your site, we're providing really tiny parts which we kind of inject into your existing themes. So BuddyPress will be able to work on any WordPress theme out of the box, and that will be really good for people running sites, because it will just work on their theme they may have already bought. And we think it will really kickstart a load of interest in BuddyPress and get even more users than before.
So how can people get involved in BuddyPress?
Yeah. So with BuddyPress, it's very similar to WordPress core itself. If you're sort of good at writing, one way of doing it would be to learn the software and answer questions on our support forums. We get probably between 30 to 40 new posts every day. There's a few guys, Hugo, Mercine, Ray, as well as the rest of the core developers, who do a really good job at keeping up to date with them. We have documentation on our codex, which is codex.buddypress.org. So that's maybe if you've used BuddyPress a lot and you've struggled to learn how to do one particular thing, maybe you could go and write some documentation. And for theme developers, we just basically need more BuddyPress themes. So build a theme, and if you need help integrating BuddyPress into it, let me know, or let one of the core team know, and we'll be happy to help. And for plugin developers, we've got some really strong APIs. Start looking at existing BuddyPress plugins that do something similar to an idea you have, and reverse engineer and learn from that.
Great. So why did you attend WordCamp Netherlands, and what do you think people get out of it? Sure.
So WordCamps, along with local WordPress meetup groups in any country in the world, are really good to meet some like-minded people. A lot of WordPress developers and designers are freelancers. They might work from home. They don't have the typical office experience of working with dozens of other people in the same sort of industry. And WordCamps is a great opportunity for freelancers and for regular users of the software and the developers of the software to kind of intermingle, talk, learn and share from each other. And even though I've been to quite a few WordCamps now, you always learn something new. You come away with a new point of view from each WordCamp. And this is my first non-native English language WordCamp, and the views from people on the continent here are really quite interesting. And as far as BuddyPress goes, I've had some really valuable feedback and ideas so far.
Thanks, Paul.
Great, cheers.